Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone had a fantastic Monday yesterday. I'm your host for South Carolina weather, Justin Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Looking at the radar right now, we do have some shower activity going on in the upstate right now with the low pressure of was going to be Tropical Storm Helene, just ended up being potential Tropical Cyclone 8. It is still rotating up there, so we still do have some showers up there inside of the upstate of South Carolina, and they again, like they are rotating, and they are causing some rain to some areas. But as we scroll our way out, and we're gonna go to the MRMS, talk about the entire United States. You see Gordon over there to your east, or to on the right side of your screen. And if we move to here, you can see that we do have some rain going on for Canada up here, all the way over into places like Montana, Washington, Idaho as well. We also do have some rain going on inside of Minnesota, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and in the Four Corners region as well. North Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Florida as well receiving that rain as well. Maybe even portions of the deep south receiving some rain at the same time. Here is our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is just showing some cloud cover over the PD region of South Carolina, the very eastern low country of South Carolina, and the upstate of South Carolina, northern Midlands of South Carolina, up there towards Rock Hill. And that's pretty much everything. There's a lot of spaces right now where there's no cloud cover at all. So we will talk about this. This is our future cloud tracker right here. And as you push this forward, you can see the cloud cover that's starting to move out. But it will try to recircle back tonight. So tonight we could see a good little return. And then as you get into like late tonight, clouds will pretty much start to cover the entire state again. But it will. But we're just gonna have to see what will happen in the morning tomorrow, um, in terms of cloud cover. Here's our current temperature: 70 inside Columbia, 73 in Charleston, 75 in Moncks Corner, 75 in Beaufort, 73 in Georgetown, 71 in Myrtle Beach, 64 in Rock Hill, 66 in Greenville, Spartanburg. We have like 68 inside Anderson, 70 in Sumter and Florence, Bennettsville, Loris as well. Here's our high temperatures. High temperatures actually not going to be too high for places like 70 in Spartanburg, 71 in Greenville, 72 in Rock Hill, 70 in Lawrence, 80 in Columbia, 82 in Moncks Corner and Charleston, 84 in Walterboro, 82 in Hilton Head Island, 84 in Barnwell, 82 inside Aiken, 79 in Myrtle Beach, 81 inside of Georgetown. Here's our peak sustained winds for today: around 6 in Columbia, 6 in Orangeburg, 6 in Moncks Corner, and you can kind of see a trend here. It's going to be very calm winds today. Maybe unless you're in the upstate, you maybe could see around a good 9 to 10 mile per hour sustained wind, but everywhere else around 6 to 8 miles per hour along the coastal regions as well is also going to be pretty calm there as well. 9, 12, 10 miles an hour. So again, not going to really be much. Those gusts could gust high though. Even though the sustained winds are pretty low, the gusts could gust. And especially like in portion of the upstate where we could have like 15 to 16, 17 mile per hour wind gust, and maybe even isolated wind gusts above 20 is possible. Same thing for places like Myrtle Beach as well. Myrtle Beach, 20 mile per hour wind gusts possible. St. Georgetown, 17. Charleston, 16. Hilton Head Island, 14. Here's our forecast precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. If you're in like the dark green all the way up there on the South Carolina, North Carolina border, you have 1 inch. If you're on the green right outside of it, where we have the potential for a quarter of an inch to a half an inch, that's like right on the outside of this dark green spot at the border of South Carolina and North Carolina. If you go to the one beyond that, a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch for places like Greenville, Spartanburg, Rock Hill, maybe even Anderson as well. And if you go to the very lightest of the greens, It's a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch for places like Winsboro, Columbia, Newbury, Lawrence, Greenwood as well. So those are the areas that are gonna have to watch out maybe for some rain today, for today through Wednesday morning. Here is our Storm Prediction Center outlook day one. You can see that we do not have a threat for any type of severe weather today. So we're good in terms of severe weather. And in terms of excessive rainfall, we do have a minor risk for some flooding up there on the very northern tip of the South Carolina North Carolina border. Let's go on and show just the models just for today. I'm not going to talk about much except for just around like the next 17 or so hours as you push this forward. Showers are going to continue up there inside the upstate. Downpours, and will probably continue throughout the day, even into the nighttime hours as well. So going all the way from now until 1 o'clock in the morning, showers, isolated/scattered showers and downpours are possible up there in the upstate of South Carolina. Here is our NHC outlook, the National Hurricane Center. Here's Gordon over here. It's now 35-mile-per-hour storm, and it is continuing to move up, expected to become a tropical storm as we get into early Thursday morning, like early Thursday morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, potentially. So that's what's going on with Gordon, and that's pretty much that. So here's the last look at your live radar right here, and we're going to just continue to watch. We're going to continue to watch for all of this rain up here inside the upstate. And we'll see what happens when we are back 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. We need 21 more people. 21 more people to hit that subscribe button. We now have officially 9 days. Around 9 days left until we need to get to our goal of 250. So 9 days, 21 people right there. That's around probably close to 3 people a day. Yes, around 3 people per day. So I still think that it could be done. So let's go on and get that done. And make sure you hit the share button to all of your friends, family members, anything like that. Also hit the subscribe button again if you're not already. Hit the like button. It helps me out. It's free, and you get free weather content. So I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m., with another forecast update live.